funny boat, and it's so cool. I might have been messing with it a little, but okay. Look, here's the throttle. Here's the compass, which it can go up and it can go down. Here is the steering wheel. There it goes with the button that you turn it on, probably. I don't want to mess with that. There's where you put the key in. There's, I don't know what that does. There's the horn, the switches and everything. I don't even know. It's so cool. Look, it has a fire hazard. Oh, there's the propeller. But still, look. You could just sit all the way in the front. Hey, Michael, can you do this? Can you sit up here? In the way front? Is anybody allowed to sit up in the way front? That's cool. But still, everything in this is cool. It even has an MP3 player. But you can even... Look, guys. Video selfie. And that's the end of the tour today, so goodbye.